how to split your audio for, say, streaming or recording. There's two different ways on how to do it. Let's get straight into it and show you how it's done. So the first thing you're going to want to need, really, you can use anything for this, but I prefer to use VOICEMEETER Potato. And this just helps us split up as audios, and I've bought a couple of extra audio cables, virtual audio cables, to help us do this. So what I have on A1 is just my headset, and then I have on A2 I have a virtual cable. Let's call that cable A because that's what it's called. And then on A3 I have cable B. So what you need to do next is set up where your audio is going to be going. So if you have a look at mine, we have VIO. This is for my music, web pages, all stuff like that. I don't generally have this ticked on unless I am just playing a little bit of Epidemic Sounds, link in description. So yeah, that's for that. AUX is for the game. I know it says Discord on there, ignore that. But it's for the game and just generic stuff that I actually want people to hear on stream. And then I have VO3, which is for Discord, the output for the when people are talking in game, all stuff like that. And then what we need to do, once you've set that up in your volume mixer like so output AUX, that's for game, and then when you're in game you'll set up the output for VO3 for the voice chat. So once you've done that and then set up the hardware output, which is like what I've just talked about the cables, we have on OBS, which I'll bring that up now. Now you see on OBS I have 3 different audio mixers. So if we could just go to settings, you'll see that I've set desktop audio to cable A, desktop audio to cable B on 2, and then my mic is just my mic basically, which I use voice mode. And the way we split it all up is you just choose, so that's going to, all the audio is going to A, so that's your main, so your headset. Your A1 don't go to OBS, you don't need that. A2 for me is my game, so as it's selected there, game. And then A3 is for, like we just talked about, the multiplayer voice chat and Discord. A3, which is set on the A3 category. And that's how you basically split up your audio for streaming anyway. Right, so for recording and stuff, we need to go into advanced audio properties. And here you'll see, before you do this, go to your settings, to output. On your streaming, make sure audio track is just 1. And then record, just make sure the audio tracks 2, 3 and 4. And this will split the audio up in once you put it into Premiere Pro or DaVinci with the video. Sorry, I forgot to record this bit. That we've got a few different tracks selected. So for streaming, we need all of them selected, and then that just like combines all your tracks into one. Don't really worry about it. And then for when we're recording, we put 2, 3 and 4. We put another one onto track 1, which is 2, and then 1 onto 3, and then 1 into 4. And what this does is if you've got Premiere Pro or DaVinci, it allows you to split all the audio basically, so they'll be on the different tracks. But I think it only does work with Premiere Pro or DaVinci. I'm not sure if it works on any other editing programs. And that's about it, guys. And if you want to mute your friends from your stream, it's pretty self-explanatory. turn that on. I hope this helps, guys. If it has, please smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and guys, catch you all on the next one. Thanks for watching.